Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more latest and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye and many much more latest and stylish overall ideas. Different ideas of hairstyles, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyles. Some ideas, fine hairstyle and many much more latest collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut and so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. Like it to try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. Or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So fan, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll start back with new collection, new ideas. And take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.